Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get money off Trust Wallet step by step. Open the Trust Wallet app and confirm your balance and network for the token you want to move. Next, check gas fees and set a safe fee to avoid failed transactions. Prepare your destination address, whether an exchange deposit or payment address, and double-check every digit to prevent permanent loss of funds. In this video, I will explain how to get money off Trust Wallet step by step. Log into your exchange account and find the correct deposit address for the token and network you plan to send. Back in Trust Wallet, paste that address and select the right network to match the exchange. Review gas fee estimates and confirm the transaction, then monitor the exchange for a successful deposit and proceed to convert to fiat if needed. In this video, I will help how to get money off Trust Wallet step by step. After your crypto lands on the exchange, sell it for fiat using a market or limit order that matches your timing. Make sure your bank details are verified to avoid delays. Initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account and note any exchange withdrawal fees and processing times so you know when funds will appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.